Nail crew, me and Nala had some fun today, honey. We pulled out our Polygel and some Fimos and we just went at it. So if you want to see what we did, keep watching. All right, now crew, so here is the package from Modelones. So remember I showed you guys in my unboxing video, they sent me the Polygel and then they also sent me these diamonds. Now obviously they're not real diamonds, but I could pretend, right? Oh my goodness, Princess Diana who, honey? Princess Diana who? All right, so let me put those to the side because we're not going to use them today. I just want to show them off again. So I want to show you this Polygel kit, guys. It is so big. It's hard to keep the whole thing in frame, but I'm trying to. Okay, there we go. There we go. I was trying to adjust my camera so that you guys can see it. So let's start with these dual forms. Oh my God, I love the case. You know, I told you guys that before. I love when the dual forms come in a case and not those little bags. You know what I mean? So let me open them up because everyone's saying they can't find a good big dual form to fit their big thumbs. But these are huge, honey. If your thumbs cannot fit in this, girl, if your thumbs can't fit in that, honey, look at that. It has a nice little curve so you can get a good apex. A lot of you girls out there are saying you can't get a good apex, but look at that. Look at that. Huge, long. It's so long. Let me show you. So you see that? How long of a nail you can get, long and wide. So, hey, if you can't find your size in this kit, then there's probably just not a size dual form out there for you. I'm sorry, honey. I'm sorry. All right, so let's see what else we got. Of course we have the file, and it's a 100-180 grit file. I'm just showing you, and it says Modelones and LUXE. And then of course it comes with the Polygel picker tool. So let me open this up for my newbies. It is a spatula on one side and a brush on the other. You will definitely see me demo that today. And what else do we have here? So this is the slip solution. Now, I have a lot of different companies and a lot of different slip solutions. I just took a little sniff. It has zero smell. It smells like water, literally no smell. And I have a lot of slip solutions and none of them say the ingredients on it. So I really don't know what's in slip solution. I don't know. I don't know. All right, so what else do we have? We have some bling, guys. Get y'all a close up of this black. Oh my God. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I think we're gonna play with those today. Then we're gonna play with those. Let me put them away. Oh my gosh, so cute. And then look at this glitter, guys. Let me open it. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. If you love blue, like, I'm a pink girl. I like blue too. But if you love blue, then that glitter is for you, honey. All right. And then, of course, it comes with the top coat and the base coat. I'm going to open it now for you guys. So I'm giving it a little sniff. You know, I got to give it a little sniff. And the base coat smells good. The base coat smells really, really good. And I'm just showing you how thick it is. Nice and thick. I like a good, thick, creamy consistency. The top coat doesn't really smell like anything. I don't know. The base coat smells really good. The top coat just smells like regular top coat. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is swatch these colors for you guys because I know you want to see them, and I'm just doing like a little cheap swatch here. I'm not pulling out no swatch sticks and none of that. Okay, guys. So the first one I showed you was soft pink. I don't have any swatch sticks that I want to swatch right now. Guys, the video would be too long. Bear with me, okay? Don't be mad at me. I like to do it this way. And then this other one, look how cute that is. That one is light pink. Super cute, super cute. I like that. All right, what's next? What's next? I think this one, I don't know. I think this one is going to be very bright. Because I have their white Polygel, and it was very bright. Yeah, see that? It's very nice. Okay, so that's the white one. It says pure white. See that? So the only thing I'm going to tell you guys with these tubes is they're small. And this kit is too pretty. Like, these colors are too pretty for small tubes. Like, the colors are just nice. Like, you just want more and more and more of it. Look at that color right there. Come on. I need a big one of that alone. That one is called Nude. And let me tell you something. I love the fact that their nude fits me. You know what I mean? For darker, deeper skin tones, nude is not for you. Darker, deeper skin tones, nude, no. But this nude fits me, and I like that. Thank you, Model Ones. Thank you for thinking of me. All right, so this pink right here looks like a fuchsia purple pink, and I love it. I love it. Why am I out of frame? Let me try to fix that. So that one is the color changing one. Okay, so we're definitely playing with that one. We're definitely playing with that one. It looks like a fuchsia, right? It looks like the color that I'm wearing on my nails. Almost. Not the same, but almost. So that one is super, super cute. We're going to play with that one today. And then the last one. Let me swatch the last one. What color do you guys think it is? Hurry, hurry, hurry before you see it, before you see it. Guess. Guess what color it is. All right, so the last one, it also looks like it could be a nude, and that one is called Light Apricot. And I feel like that's also nude too, okay? So the first one that I said was nude, the actual one that's called nude, I feel like that's a good nude for me. And then Light Apricot, I feel like that's a good nude for lighter skin tones. Tell me what you guys think. So Model Ones absolutely came through again. You provided colors for all skin tones, and thumbs up to you. You guys, you got it. You get it right all the time. You get it right all the time. All right, so now I'm going to try something new. This is absolutely new. And I'm blaming this on Princess Nails by Diana because she sent me a package with these things and I didn't even know what they were. They feel like erasers. Like they almost feel kind of rubbery. But I had to look them up to see what are these? You know what I mean? And so they're called Fimos. And I'm like, what the heck? So what I found out is that the little kids, they use this to put in their slime. Of course we use them for nails, and I'm using them for nails today, of course. I just separated out the ones that I wanted, and I just want the pink ones. But kids use them to put in their slime, and that's how they became like really popular. And now, you know, here I am using it for nail art. So I just thought it was really cool. Princess Diana, if my nails turn out like trash, I'm blaming you, okay? I'm blaming you. All right, so now I have my nail tips. I don't know if I want to do stilettos or coffin. So let me see what these coffin are gonna look like on Miss Nala. I think I should let's do the coffin. Let's do coffin because I'm wearing stiletto and I did stiletto in like a previous set. So, okay, let's just do these coffin. These are the ones that I'm going to use, and links to this will be in the description box. Links to the Model Ones Polygel will absolutely be in the description box. Guys, use my code, use my code. Save yourself some coins, okay? So I went ahead and prepped Miss Nala's nails, added dehydrator and primer and all that fun stuff. Now I'm going in with this nice, thick, sweet smelling base coat. I let that cure for 60 seconds, and here we go with the Polygel. Oh my gosh. I'm starting with the light pink first, okay? We're gonna save the color changing one to last. Like, I know you guys want to see that, but hold your horses. Hold up. We're gonna start with this light pink, and what I love is, did you peep that? Did you peep that I put it on the pinky and I put it on the ring finger? No, lie. Pinky and pointer finger. I'm getting my fingers mixed up. But I put it on the finger, and it's not gonna go anywhere. It's not gonna drip or roll. Oh my god. Like, I hate soft, soggy polygel that just rolls all over the place. I hate that so much. But this one, you could just put it on the nails, and it'll just be there when you're ready. And that's what I really like about Model Ones. So I did not cure it yet. I just laid it on the nails. I did not cure it. And now here I go with my little kitty cat. My little kitty cat. Okay, let me stop being weird. Dang it. I always say, Nikki, not this time. But it just happens. And oh my God. Okay. So, I really don't know what I'm doing here because, again, this is my first time with these little thingies. But I'm just sticking them in. Like, you can't really mess it up, right? If you don't like it, you just scrape it off. So I put them where I wanted them. I cured them in the lamp for 60 seconds to hold them in place. And now I'm going on top of them with more polygel to just encapsulate them. Okay, so I laid the polygel down. I put the little kitties in there, did not cure it, right? Once the kitties were in place, I cured that for 60 seconds, and now I'm encapsulating that with more polygel of the same color. You could have definitely went away with clear. Like, if you had a clear polygel, I think a clear encapsulation will look good. But because the kitties are pink, I thought using a pink to encapsulate them would just, I don't know, I just thought it would be cute. So you guys tell me at the end if you thought it was cute or not. But this is what it looks like right now, and honey, look at those little kitties just hiding in the polygel. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I let those cure for 60 seconds. And now here we go with the color changing wand. So it starts off fuchsia, and we'll see what color it changes to once it comes out the lamp. Okay, so this is the room temperature color, or the cool color. Once it comes out the lamp, it will be the warm color. So again, I put it on all the nails that I wanted it on. Look at that. Look at that. It's like just staying there. It's not dripping. It's not, oh my gosh, like, you guys do not understand how much I appreciate this formula right now. My goodness. Okay, so I went ahead and patted it into place. Just patted it, like nothing special there. And now I'm going to put that in my lamp and cure it for a full 60 seconds. Oh yeah, singing a song while it cures in the lamp. Singing a oh man, I'm sorry. All right. So once it's done curing, it is clear. Yeah, I was wondering why this kit didn't come with a clear, but it did come with a clear. Duh, you just have to wait for it to turn clear. All right, so it is sticky like most gels are straight out the lamp. So here I am going in with just some regular alcohol just to get the sticky inhibition layer off. And then I went ahead and filed Miss Nala's nails off camera. They look so cute. And here I am going in with my bling. I definitely had to use these blings today, guys. I definitely had to bling Miss Nala out in these cute little kitties. Thank you, Princess Diana. I love them. I love them. Okay, so now, because these kitties turned out so stinking cute, I kind of want to buy more of these. So I'm going to look on Amazon. I don't know where you got them from. Diana, let me know where you got these little kitties from. Because to be 100% honest, I never would have bought these. I never would have tried these. This would not have been something I would have ever thought about purchasing, and that's the honest truth, because it's just not me, you know what I'm saying? But now that I have tried them, I'm open to them. So I think I'm gonna buy more and just see what happens. So Diana, thank you for opening my eyes. Like, you gave me a whole nother way to express my creativity, and I appreciate that. Super, super cute. So I'm just going in with some random placement of these blings. I think it looks adorable. And you know what? After I was done filing the polygel, like, you couldn't tell that these were polygel or like regular acrylic nails. A lot of people ask me that. And to be honest, when they're done right, no one knows if you have gel, acrylic, or polygel. You know what I'm saying? Like, it all looks good. It's all firm. It's all durable. And it's just personal preference as to what you prefer, polygel, gel, or acrylic. So now what I'm doing is just going in with some glitter. So I applied a thin layer of that base coat and just sprinkled some glitter on, honey. You know, you can't really go wrong with some cute little glitter. And this is what it looks like when it's all said and done. Oh my God, I'm gonna cry. Oh my God, I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry. Oh my God, so stinking cute. So after I put the glitter on, I dust off that excess glitter that was all over Miss Nala's hand. And then I applied that top coat, baby. Yes. Oh my God. I did a good job, y'all. I did a good job. Go ahead and give me that thumbs up. I know I deserve it this time. Hello. Come on. Modelones, thank you for this kit. It was absolutely adorable. I love it. Diana, thank you for these little kitties. Oh my God. Absolutely adorable. I love, 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 love this set. Let me know what you guys think below. Do you love it? Do you absolutely absolutely love these little kitties in there. Oh my God, Diana, thank you so much. I love this Polygel. Model 1s, you already know. I think we're dating. Yeah, I think we're dating. So, hey, boyfriend. All right, guys, that's a wrap. Let me go. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and tune in tomorrow because I'll be back.